Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 20 Windpath East here in West Springfield, Massachusetts.
Prepared to be amazed by this incredible condo on the greens at Springfield Country Club.
You are not going to believe this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo with unique features such as inlaid wood floors, expansive decks, and gorgeous course views.
Immaculately cared for, this condo boasts a large living room with gas fireplace, enclosed screened-in patio, and eat-in kitchen.
Take in more views from the open concept family room with wet bar, additional bedroom, and full bath.
This golfer's paradise is not going to last. We can't wait to show it to you.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 20 Windpath East here in West Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Go ahead. To be amazed by the... Sorry. Look at us matchy-matchy. I didn't even know that.
I knew it. I knew it the whole time.
Patio. Sorry.
Take in more views from the open...